welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the other half of the unboxing. This is for BZZAGENT. The other video was like influencer and some other random stuff. This is what I'm going to be unboxing today. It is 4 packages. I'm going to start off with this one right here, the smallest one. Ooh, they sent me an eyeliner and this box is all smashed. But anyways, they sent me the Tres Luz Beauty Eternal Liquid Liner and the shade La Noche, the night. So that's pretty cool. And this is what the eyeliner looks like. It's really pretty. I like the color blue. Oh, okay, so it is a liquid eyeliner. Did the box say that? I can't remember. Yeah, it is a liquid liner. It said on the box. Okay, anyways, this is what the tip looks like. You swatch it. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. So pitch black and pretty. So anyways, I'm excited to try this out. I remember using something from the brand Tres Luz. I just can't remember what. It sounds familiar. Okay, but anyways, I'm excited to try this out, and this was from BZZAGENT. Okay, now the next thing is this little box right here. And oh, that's nice. They sent me this right here. It looks like they sent me 2 things. So I'm excited. Okay, let's see. I have the little card right here. It just has information of BZZAGENT and all of that stuff. I will have everything linked down below, by the way, like influencer and BZZAGENT. Okay, anyways, they sent me the Cerave Makeup Removing Cleanser Balm. That's pretty cool. So this is it right here. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Cerave. Let's see. Is this a balm already, or it has a plastic? Oh, okay, that's the balm already. I thought I had like some plastic or something. It looked too smooth. But anyways, that's what the balm looks like. It doesn't smell like anything. And yeah. It says scoop a pearl-sized amount. Massage gently onto dry skin in circular motion. Rinse well and pat dry. Avoid direct contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. So I'm excited for this. Now the next thing that they sent me in this same box is, whoa, they sent me more Cerave products. Cool. So they sent me this medicine looking thing. I'm just saying because it looks like a white liquid. They sent me the new Cerave developed with dermatologist comforting eye makeup remover. Wait, what's this then? So this is a makeup removing cleanser balm, and this is the eye makeup remover. Gently dissolves makeup with 3 essential ceramides. Removes waterproof mascara. Ooh, that's cool. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, I never tried any of this. Oh, let's take a look. Kind of smells like paint. Or I don't know. It's just a white liquid. Oh crap, I almost got a cramp on my arm. That would have been horrible. Okay, anyways, it kind of reminds me of that white medicine that our parents would give us when we were small, and it tasted disgusting. And then they also sent me the, what the heck was that? Oh, plastic. And then they also sent me the Cerave Skin Renewing Eye Cream. Cool. So this one visibly firms and reduces the look of fine lines and crow's feet. Moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. So anyways, this is it right here. So I'm really excited to try it out. I don't know when they sent me all this, so I'm excited. I can't wait to try out this eye cream. And this is what the little bottle looks like. Container. It says apply in small dots around the eye area and gently smooth into thoroughly absorbed. Use alone or under makeup twice a day. Can't smell anything, but anyways, this is what the point looks like, the dropper, the tip of it. So yeah, anyways, I'm really excited that they send me all of these products because I normally use olive oil to remove my makeup, especially like waterproof mascara, and it works really good. But I'm excited to try these out. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried any of these Cerave products. Okay, now on to the next little box here. Comes with paper. And a burrito. Just kidding, I wish. Okay, let's see. What did they send me? Ta-da! They sent me a Soap and Glory, the scrub of your life, smoothing body scrub. A fine but effective scrub featuring mandarin extract and pink wax spheres to help gently reveal radiant skin that's positively glowing. Cool. This is going to be perfect. So I'm super excited. I think I've only tried Soap and Glory once, and I think it was like a face primer or something like that. Or mascara, I can't remember. Smells like a face mask. Anyways, it's just like a clear white gel, and I could definitely see the little beads, the exfoliating beads. Anyways, I'm excited to use this, so thank you to BZZAGENT. Okay, now on to the last box, and it's really heavy. This one right here. And let's see what it is. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. They sent me a whole like collection of the Kiehl's Hydrating Winter Wonders. Okay, now this, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I think they sent it to me during Christmas because it's like Christmassy. Cool. I feel like it's Christmas again. Well, actually, I don't even remember celebrating Christmas last year, so it's Christmas for me today. But anyways, they sent me the Kiehl's Hydrating Winter Wonders, a collection of 4 full-size and 2 mini customer favorites. Look at that, and it has a value of $99. Never mind, a value of $181. And I guess this was retailing for $99. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about this. This is really, really nice. Cool. And look at the box. Is that the right way? Yeah. See, it's like a Christmas sweater type of situation going on here. How pretty is that? I already changed the battery, so the angle's a little different. That is why. Anyways, let's open it up. Ta-da! Holy moly. Anyways, this is what the products look like inside of the box. So pretty. This is like, I think this is the first time they ever sent me like a whole collection. Now I feel bad that I didn't review it, but I think I did send them a message saying that I had an accident. Okay, anyways, the first product here, it is the Ultra Facial Cleanser, gentle liquid formula that cleanses without overdrying or stripping skin for all skin types. This is it right here. I don't remember if I tried Kiehl's before, but I'm really excited. So I'm excited to try it. I'm pretty sure I still could review all of these products on the Kiehl's website. Oh, I can't even open this. Anyways, it is a clear gel. I've smelled this before, but I can't remember what it is. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Okay, the other thing that they sent me is Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Micro Dose Serum. So this is what it looks like. Clinically tested to steadily promote skin surface turnover and visibly improves firmness, reduce wrinkles, and refine texture while minimizing discomforting effects including redness, dryness, and peeling. So that's cool. I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, ooh, this is pretty. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's like a purple or blue color. It's like glass. And it does have a pump. So that's exciting. I can't wait to try it. Did it say to use it day and night? Apply 1 pump to clean dry skin in the morning or evening before your moisturizer. You may also apply 1 pump each to the neck. Always use sunscreen and limit sun exposure when using this product. Okay, good to know. I think I'm gonna have to keep the box to remember because I'm not gonna remember that. Anyways, I'm excited to try that as well. Okay, the next thing that they sent me is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin and glacial glycoprotein. I think I'm going to use all of this at the same time instead of using like my Aveeno moisturizer and the Kiehl's facial cleanser. Like, I'd rather use everything so I could see if it works on my skin. Okay, anyways, the next thing that they sent me, it is this Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Ooh, I love masks. This really cleansing mask may be used for normal to oily skin types to help eliminate debris and dead surface skin cell accumulation that can clog pores and leave skin looking dull. Yeah, it smells like clay. So that's what it looks like. Very clayey. Clay. Okay, so super excited to try this as well. Okay, now the next thing that they sent me. Okay, they sent me the Kiehl's Daily Refining Milk Peel Toner. Okay, I've never tried a peel toner. I'm scared my face is going to peel. But anyways, this is clinically demonstrated to gently exfoliate the skin surface without causing discomfort while replenishing skin's moisture for a fresher, more refined complexion. And it looks like milk, literally. So that's pretty cool. Can't wait to try this out. I'm probably going to do like a spot test before I apply it all over my face. Okay, if you guys have any tips on how to use this, let me know in the comments below, because I would like to know how you guys use it, or if there's something else I have to do before I apply it or what, because it doesn't have much information here. I mean, I could always Google it, but anyways, yeah, that's that. Okay, now the last thing that they sent me here, it is a creamy eye treatment. Didn't they send me an eye cream already? Okay, I think it was the other thing. Yeah, from Cerave. Okay, this is a creamy eye treatment with avocado. This creamy preparations with avocado oil gently moisturizes the delicate eye areas. Our unique concentrated texture does not migrate onto your eyes. Let's see, does this smell like avocado? Can't remember what avocado smells like. I don't know. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I'm excited to try this out as well. I'm excited for this whole collection. Let me know if you guys have ever purchased this whole collection, or if you guys have tried any of these products and what do you guys think of them. But anyways, I'm super excited. I love the box. It's so beautiful. And so thank you so much to BZZAGENT. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to try out everything that I received. So yeah, that's all of the boxes that I had on the side of my room, so now I know what I have. Anyways, I'm going to be editing these videos today since I didn't go to school today, and I will try to post them sometime this week. Today's the 23rd, so yeah. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.